Fix Windows has restarted your GPU League of Legends. Solved. So hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows has restarted your GPU on League of Legends. So there can be multiple reasons for the error. So let's break down potential solutions. So it can be driver issues. You can update or install drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause. You can open update device manager, expand display adapters, right click on your GPU and select update driver, and you can use a tool like display driver installer or to completely remove all drivers and then reinstall the latest ones from your GPU manufacturer's website, not Windows Update. And if the issue started after a recent driver update, try rolling back to previous versions that worked, and it can cause for overheating. You can use monitoring software to check your GPU's temperature during gameplay. If it's consistently higher, consider improving airflow or upgrading your cooling solution. You can also clean your PC. Uh, there can be also some game-specific issues like reinstall League of Legends. A corrupted game installation can also cause problems. Try installing the game. And you can also use the Hextech repair tool to perform a clean reinstall. And other potential solutions are you can restart your PC, check power settings, you can check your hardware problems. That's how you can fix Windows has restarted your GPU problem on League of Legends. So see you on the next one.